Want exclusive tools to dominate your niche? Here's why Amazon Brand Registry is a must-have. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. All right, so we're going through all of the brand registry benefits, and Amazon keeps adding to this. Sometimes they subtract, but here is the list right here, and there's 25 of them. I'm gonna be going through all of them pretty quickly just so you understand them. And number one is Amazon A+ content. So Amazon A+ content is pretty much having pictures in your description. So here's a listing right here, scroll all the way down, and this is A+ content. They have videos, pictures, awesome stuff, right? This helps increase sales and credibility. Number two is going to be 3D models and augmented reality. So this is kind of new. In the listing, you can actually have, like if you're selling a chair or an item, you can have a 3D image so people can look at it and then look at it in different directions. So you can only do this if you have brand registry. So here's an example of it. What's 3D content? What's augmented reality? So they can see, you can see if you're buying a chair, oh, does it fit? How does it look? Right? Even a shoe. They've got all these different options that you can add to help increase your sales and mitigate returns. Brand store. So let's say you have a brand and it's called AccuLeaf. You could be like, hey, everybody go to my brand, amazon.com/AccuLeaf. They can go here and it's going to show them your own little web page, brand store that's connected to Amazon. And this will help you increase your sales and show everybody all the products that you sell. And this is a pretty cool item. One of our clients does have a brand store and it did increase their sales by 9,000. And that was pretty, you can't complain with an extra 9 grand in your pocket. So I do recommend that. Next is going to be sponsored brands. Now this is Amazon advertising. So this is a special advertising. So if you want them to go back to the brand store that I just showed you, you can run ads to it on Amazon, and you can also promote some of your products. It looks like this and it shows up at the top of Amazon right here. Here's another one, sponsored brands, and it shows you how to create it and the benefit. Next is going to be posts. This is pretty much the same as like posting on Instagram, except you're posting on Amazon, attempting to get clicks and sales. So post allows brands to use inspiring lifestyle images and videos to drive product discovery. So here it is, and you pretty much are gonna show up randomly on competitors' pages on Amazon, and it's free advertising right now. Again, it's just like Instagram, so somebody can follow it and they're gonna see all of your posts on Amazon. And it does help increase clicks and increase a higher purchase rate and pretty much higher add to cart rate. So there's a lot of different items that you can do. So you can see store feed, top of search. You can start showing up randomly everywhere on Amazon. So I highly recommend doing it. It does give you an upper edge. Brand analytics. So again, just to see your brand data and grow your business. So again, if you're looking and you're saying, okay, who's buying it? What age are they? The household income, the education, the gender, right? And that way you can change your images or your text or your description to match who is buying it. This is a great way to create your customer avatar. So again, that is important for long-term sales. The next is going to be brand metrics. So brand metrics, again, is just reviewing your sales, and you can see customers that are coming new to brand. So how many people are buying your product over and over again, and how many customers are brand new, right? That's good data, so you can see if people are coming back and purchasing over and over and over again, that's a pretty darn good product. You have some loyal customers, but are you bringing enough new customers in to maintain your business and grow your business? So you want to add that in. If you're not, maybe you could be running ads. So this is a good thing to see. Now, next we have Amazon Buying. This is to get more reviews on Amazon. So if you launch a product, you can give it away. Make your voice count by evaluating and review free items. So you give your item away for free in return for a review. You can do this up to 30 times in the beginning, so you can get up to 30 reviews. But once you have more than 30 reviews, you can't enroll in the program. Next is going to be, let's see, customer reviews. We're already on reviews. So customer reviews, so you can track and respond to customer reviews. So you can see if somebody left a negative review on your brand, you can actually try to reach out to them, make it better, right? You can't ask them to change the review, but you can potentially add the best customer service ever where they feel obligated inside to change their review. That's what we do a lot of the time. Next is brand tailored promotions. So brand tailored promotions offer exclusive discounts to loyal customers. So brand tailored promotions is pretty awesome. So we talked about posts like the Instagram posts. So people can follow your page, and if they're following you, you can actually retarget just those followers with your ads. So it's very, very targeted. Or people who are recurring purchasing your item over and over and over again, you can again show them different products that you sell and advertise just to them different products that you sell. And if they're already buying one brand, they're probably gonna buy another one of your products. So this is a great option to help. So you can also target cart abandoners, abandoned carts, potential new customers, high spend customers, recent customers, repeat customers, brand followers. So it's a great option to run specific targeted ads, and not a lot of people use that. Again, Amazon Live, host shoppable live streams to engage shoppers. So again, you can see here's this dude on Amazon Live, and he's promoting some products right here. So you could pretty much have your own products in Amazon Live. Sponsored display. Again, this is another advertising. So you can do, instead of sponsored brands, this is sponsored display. And look, they can again go right to your brand store, shop now, here's our brand, and you can show up on Amazon through search just like this. Manage your experiments. This is A to B testing. So if you wanted to A to B, let's say you have a first image that looks like this, and you want to be like, well, maybe we should change the first image, but let's test it first. You can run a test. Amazon's going to send you all of the analytics and tell you which one the winner is. So it's awesome because you don't have to use a separate tool. This is all within Amazon. Optimized content can help increase sales by up to 20%. Brand referral bonus. So again, brand referral bonus, drive traffic and boost your bottom line. So you can create a special brand referral bonus. So if you have a link of your brand in Instagram, somebody goes to Instagram and clicks on it and then purchases your product, you actually get like 10% back. So you save 10% pretty much. So it's a great item if you wanted to have like an email list or something and people are clicking on the link to go to Amazon, you actually get a big percentage back, and they earn bonuses averaging 10% of sales of their product. So when sellers bring customer traffic to Amazon, they earn bonuses averaging 10% of sales to products. Amazon does this because they want more people that aren't on Amazon coming back to Amazon, and maybe they'll order more items, not just your own. Then we have virtual bundles. So virtual bundles add products that work well together, create bundles of 2 to 5. So let's say you sell ketchup and the other one you sell is mayonnaise, and they're 2 different listings. You got mayo and you got ketchup, right? So now what Amazon will do is you can create a virtual bundle. So if somebody orders it, Amazon will ship them both for you, and you don't have to create a separate bundle listing. It's just a virtual bundle, if that makes sense. So it does work. It's not like a huge benefit, but it does generate some sales. And then we have Amazon attribution, measure the impact of non-Amazon advertising. So again, if you are running ads off of Amazon and you're trying to get, let's say you're running Facebook ads, and you can put this special code in and it can see how many users are actually clicking on this Facebook ad and purchasing your item from this Facebook ad. So you can track sales if you're running Google ads or Facebook ads, any other ad than Amazon, you can track it to see if it's working or not. Subscribe and save. This one's super important. So if you're selling, let's go back to ketchup, and you're selling your own ketchup brand, somebody orders it, you can turn on automatic subscribe and save. So they can click a button and every month they get a new bottle and they don't have to come back on and order again. That is huge. So maybe they don't even want ketchup anymore, but they accidentally subscribed and saved, and now you're getting reoccurring orders. So that is a huge benefit as well. Next, we got product lifecycle support. This helps mitigate and reduce returns. So when somebody's trying to have a return and return your product, you can actually have them contact you and go through extra steps before they're even allowed to return the item. This will reduce returns and help you increase your profits, right? Because you know how easy it is just to click return. Now they can have get product support. When they click return, they also have other options. I'm gonna see if it shows it. To watch help videos, to contact you first before they even can return the item. So that is a huge benefit long term. Buy with Prime. You can connect it to your website. So let's say this is your website on Shopify.com. You can add buy with Prime, and then Amazon will ship it to the customer. And everybody trusts Amazon. Multi-channel fulfillment, again, it's similar to buy with Prime, but what happens if somebody buys a product, let's say on eBay, and you're selling ketchup on eBay, and you sell the same ketchup on Amazon, right? If somebody orders it on eBay, Amazon will take it from their warehouse at Amazon and ship it to the eBay customer. That's called multi-channel fulfillment. So that way you can have Amazon being your main center person, go-to company that ships to everybody else. It's a little bit difficult to set up, but once you have it set up, it's amazing. Brand protection. You can use brandregistry.com to protect your brand. And not only that, you can report a violation, aka report fakes. So anybody who's ripping off your trademark, your copyright, your patent, whatever it is, selling a fake product, you can actually report a violation right here, report them on Amazon and get them kicked off. So that is a huge benefit once you start making sales. Project Zero, immediately remove counterfeit listings from Amazon. Amazon uses AI to help block, remove, and prevent counterfeits that are using your brand name. Transparency, so you can add special authenticity. See, that's a bad word. You can use special authenticated individual products to prevent counterfeiting. So it has a special barcode on it to authenticate the item and make sure that it's not a fake. And so that's a great item as well. Proactively protect your brand. Use unique serial codes and ensure that every time the item is shipped to customers, it is authentic and accurate. So this is another way to try to get around. And then Amazon won't even let anybody else sell unless they have these special barcodes, and you're the only one who can get these barcodes in the first place. And then we have the counterfeit crimes unit. So pretty much Amazon will get if you remove some brands, Amazon will check into them and then they can pretty much sue them or put them in jail. So that's another thing, is the Amazon counterfeit crimes unit working together to stop bad actors, aka people who sell fakes. So a lot of benefits here. Again, there's 25 and adding. It's a huge benefit long term. A lot of these are better than other benefits, and there's just so many to pick from. But if I could just choose one, it'd probably be A+ content is going to be one of the best. And if you're launching a new product, it's going to be Amazon buying. But a lot of these you put together and you can definitely succeed. Help you succeed more than the average person on Amazon that doesn't have Brand Registry. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com right in the description for more. Our #1 service is our full account management service. We'll come in, we'll manage your account, we'll make sure your listings are increasing in sales, and even help you find more products. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.